Hey everybody, Randy coming back at you, Carolina Picker, and today we're going to just do a hodgepodge of stuff. I've got a couple of orders I got to get out, so let's go ahead and get those out. And don't judge me. Yes, I have a mess in my office, I have a mess in my eBay stuff, and I have a pile of stuff that needs to be posted, so do not judge me. But let's go ahead and take a look at these two orders here, and let me just turn the camera around here. So we've got two orders here we got to get out. So the first thing I want to do is go ahead and turn my printer on, and then I'm going to go over here, pick list. I want to print a pick list, and let's just print it on my shipping label printer, because I don't need to know anything else other than, wait a minute, I'll print it on my brother printer. That way it gives me the now let's go over and see if it actually prints. So let's go ahead and head over here, and yes, I keep my room kind of dark. See what a mess I have here? Come on, printer. You see what I have to go through here? My stuff never wants to work. Look at this. It never wants to work. Alright, Lexi, you don't need to be barking at me. Let's see if it'll print this time. There we go. Says it's receiving the data. Please wait. Here we go. Now we got a pack list. Alright. Now what we want to do is we want to take this pack list and we want to go find these two items. One is a Denver Broncos and another is a camera. So I've got to go up into our other room. We have this room here, and as you can see there, and it has some clothes and stuff over there, but now I've got to go up into our other room. So here we go, going upstairs into our other room. This is a huge house. It's a, not sure why we bought such a huge house, to be honest with you. When we moved down here to where we're at now, there, the Greensboro area. But as you can see here, we have all of this stuff here, and all this stuff over here. And then we have that. We do t-shirts as well. We have a t-shirt business that we own. We also own a marketing firm as well. And if that wasn't enough, this whole YouTube thing has got me interested. It's interesting to see that you can actually make money on YouTube. Now, I'm not making a lot. I'm only getting 20-30 views per video, and I appreciate each and every one of you for watching those videos. So, not making hardly anything, but that got me to thinking. And yes, I'm out of breath from coming just up the stairs. That got me to thinking, you know, what would it be like to set up another channel? So I went ahead and set up another channel, and I've just started that channel. So as if I don't have enough to do already, I've now started another YouTube channel. Just in case you're interested, I'll put the link down in the description down there below. It's just about the rich and famous. It's nothing. I'm not in those videos. I create those videos or have somebody create them for me and then just put them on there, and I'm going to see what it does. It's got 4 subscribers right now as the time of this video, and I just put it up about 5 days ago, I think. So anyway, if you want to see it, you can go down in the description. I'll leave a link to it as well. It's not even got anything to do with eBay or reselling or anything like that, but anyway, I thought I'd do it. So let's go through all this mess here. I've got to find camera number what do I got to find here? Camera number K033. So let's go down here and let's look for K033, and that would be it right there. So there's one item picked that we got to take down with us. And we've got the Tim Tebow Denver Broncos number 15. This is it right here. And so we'll take So this right here, boy, I tell you what, jerseys do well for me. I like having jerseys, but that's the one that just sold. And so that's nice. So we got that. We got the camera. We got our pick list. And my goodness, look at all that stuff. Goodness gracious. Betsy, don't judge me though. Alright, let's head back downstairs. Shut this door here. We're going to head back downstairs. Oh, what I was saying earlier was we bought this big house for some stupid reason. It's got, what is it, 1, 2, 3, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and then there's Mrs. Carolina Picker. She's just doing some cleaning. And this was the living room. We turned it into kind of our eBay headquarters, and that's our office in there off from the living room. Then we have a den in there and a dining room and a kitchen and all that stuff. So anyway, so this is our mess. So I'm going to go ahead and put the put this camera on a tripod, and then we'll go ahead and we'll get these packaged up. Okay, so here we are getting these packaged up. And you can see I'm losing a little bit of weight now. I've actually lost about 12 pounds. So my belly used to stick way out here, and now it's like this right here. So I'm pretty excited that I've lost about 12 pounds. So that excites me. So anyway, let's go ahead and get this folded up here. Let's see here. What's the best way to fold this? Maybe the better way to fold it like this. I am no folder. I'll tell you that right now. I could never take a job folding clothes. As you can see here, I have just totally messed that up. Let me go over here and get 2 things that I need. And hopefully you can still hear me. I'm not using those. I got those lavalier mics. And I've used them in the last few videos, but I'm not using it in this one since I was carrying the camera around with me. So let's go ahead and get this. And I like to fold these up inside of paper like this. Then I take another sheet of paper and I fold it backwards. Isn't that funny? Fold it backwards like this. Kind of like folding a burrito, isn't it? Then I put my thank you card on top of it. And then I take this little, I think this is a 12 by 9, I believe. 12 by 9. Poly bag, that's the word I'm looking for, is a poly bag. And I might not have folded this up small enough for it to fit. I don't know. What size bags do y'all put yours in if you're selling clothes? Sell a shirt or something like that. What size bag do you put them in? Because you can see I'm having a little bit of trouble here because the way I folded this thing. I probably shouldn't have. I probably should have folded it a little more. There we go. Now I can take this off and fold it down. Get in there. Fold it down like that. And I don't know if any of y'all do this or not, but I like to put a little piece of tape across it, just to be on the safe side. And these are supposedly tear-proof. I'm pretty sure they are, because you can't really rip them. So anyway, that takes that. Now we'll just go ahead and weigh this bad boy. And I will write the weight down. It's 9 ounces. 9 ounces. And now let's go ahead and get a box for the camera. This is going to take a 6 by 4 by 4 box. So I'll be right back. Well, apparently I didn't have a 6 by 4 by 4 handy, so I got a 6 by 6 by 4. case you're wondering what I was doing there, I was making it easier to fold in. And I use this tape. I don't know what y'all use, but I buy this tape right here that's already on little things because it's just as cheap as buying the big rolls, which I have over there. And I hate a tape gun. I can't get my tape gun to ever work. So I just stored it over there, and I just started buying these because they're just as cheap price-wise. So anyway, let's grab some bubble wrap. Little trick here to getting your bubble wrap in your box. If you'll fold them in first and then fold them out like that, now your bubble wrap will usually just slide right in there, just like that. Now we're going to put this in here. Like so. Put our big thank you card in here like so. And then I'll try to fit one more piece of bubble wrap on top of it. Usually I can, but sometimes I can't though. So we'll just have to see in this situation if it's going to work or not. I believe it might be going to work. Now Tina tells me I use too much tape. I don't know if that's true or not, because after I tape them across this way and this way, I like to come around and go over top of them. And of course I'm out of tape. So we'll throw that one away and we'll start a new one. As you can see right there, they put, I don't know if you can see that or not, it's a little silver thing, and it keeps it from over ripping, or you know what I mean, where you start pulling it and it just pulls all the way around on one side. Alright, let's try this again. Alright, so what I like to do is I like to go all the way around the box like this. And to me, that just makes it feel more secure. I don't know. Do you all do that? I don't know if you do or not, but that just makes it feel more secure to me. I do have these stickers that I do like to put on boxes sometimes. I don't always do it. I'm going to put one on this one. It don't really change the weight any at all. And so if I put it right here like that, now as it's being shipped, I've got our website address on it. Anyway, so this is a 6x6x4 box. So I'm going to write down 6x6x4. And it weighs 15.1 ounces. So I'll be able to get this as priority. Or not priority, but whichever one it is that, you know, it's under a pound. I don't remember. First class. I'll be able to get it as first class. So that's good. That's cool. Alright, so now we just go back in there and we print our labels. Alright, first class. And as you can see here, I've heard some people say that if you enter in 1 pound like that it won't work. But you can see what it done down here. It did first class and it says 15.9 ounces. So, so by putting 1 pound up here in the weight, it does work down here. 15.9 ounces. So it is going to let me ship first class. Okay, we got our shipping labels, we got our sheet here, we know what we're doing here. So now all we got to do is just look down here and see what package belongs to who. And so I can see that this package here and this one here go together. Okay, well there you have it. We have our 2 packages here ready for shipping, as you can see there. And that'll about do it for this video today. Hey, do let me know in the comments below, you know, what you ship, how you ship it. Do you use printer sheets when you have more than one order? or do you just do them one at a time? Do you mess up like I just did and get overcharged for shipping? You know, do you use thank you cards, things like that? All that stuff interests me. I want to see what other people are doing. So yeah, leave in the comments down there. Don't be afraid to comment. Go ahead and leave it down there. Even if you think this is the most stupid video in the world, let me know, because I don't know what to do if you don't tell me what to do. So it ain't going to hurt my feelings at all. And so listen, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and be sure to click that little bell so you're notified each and every time I put out a new video. All right, so with that being said, until next time, I'll see each and every one of you on the flip side.